Hey guys, my name's Brittany, and if you're new swinging through, then welcome. If you're already a supporter of mine, then thank you so much. You guys know that I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. I do have to apologize. I have not filmed, guys, in like, what, 2 weeks? I have been so sick with bronchitis, guys. Like, I have so much medicine I'm taking, so I've just been really sick, really congested. A lot of chest pressure, chest congestion, so I just haven't filmed. I've been in bed trying to rest a lot, so I really haven't filmed anything for you guys. This, I sound so bad, guys. Seriously, A for effort. I'm not going to say I didn't want to film. I've been wanting to film this for over a week now, guys. My iOffer package did come. Looks just like this. I felt like I felt a little bit better and sounded a little bit better enough to film for you guys. If you think I sound okay, let me know down below in the comments. I didn't want to go like another week without a video for you guys, and I had nothing pre-recorded. I pre-record sometimes, but I rather just like film when the products come. This purse has been here for like a week and a half, and I just was not feeling up to filming since I've been so sick. I'm going to let you guys know up front, if you do not like knockoff videos or inspired bag videos, whatever have you may call it, read the title. If you don't like it, don't even bother clicking it. If you're already here and made it this far, just click out of this video before I get into this video. I know some people just feel like it is a disrespect to the brand, but like I said, I like videos like this. I enjoy them. I can see that clearly you guys enjoy these types of videos, so I'm going to keep bringing them to you. If you don't like these types of videos, I do have other videos on my channel. Just look down below. I have makeup videos, like unboxings, so much other stuff. So I film lots of things. If you have any video requests that you want to see other than my offer videos, then leave it down below in the comments. I'm sorry I feel like I sound like a man, guys. If I sound like a man, let me know. I'm sorry, but yeah, so here is the package. I'm so excited to open it. Like, I'm like nerve-guided, guys. I'm so nerve-guided. I'm nervous and I'm excited, so it's like nerve-guided. I am prepared this time. I went out and I bought some baby pick scissors, so we'll be prepared for all of our unboxings. If you like when I unbox it with you guys, let me know down below in the comments. If you don't like when I actually open it up on camera, then I can open this and just review it, but I figure some people like to actually watch me unbox it with you, so if you want to go ahead and just have me start opening it in advance, that's cool too. Just let me know. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. It comes wrapped just like this. I ordered this bag, and I believe this one came literally in like 3 weeks. I'm kind of upset because if this is the Chanel bag, then I'm actually pretty upset because I ordered a Gucci bag before I ordered the Chanel bag, like a week or two before I ordered this. So if this is the Chanel bag, then Gucci, what's going on? Like, I'm gonna have to contact that vendor. Let's see. I'm gonna use scissors. So I think we should open it like on this side here. And these are just some little kitty scissors that I bought from Walmart. Hopefully, let me try to lift it. Hopefully it'll actually cut it. If not, I'll have to get thicker scissors. Alright, I'm just cutting it along the inside. It looks like it's pretty packaged, like the way they packaged it is really, really thick. And it looks like it's wrapped. Pull it out. I think it has a black dust bag, and if I'm not mistaken, this one is the black one that I ordered. Okay, so we're back. Sorry about that, guys. I think my camera like ran out of space. I don't know what the heck happened. But yeah, so I was letting you know that this Chanel that I ordered, this Chanel is the black Chanel that I ordered. I'm going to have a pink Chanel coming in by my girl Sheena Duncan. Sheena Duncan is super dope, and she does the same type of videos, so I like watching her stuff. So hey boo, shout out to you. But yeah, so this is the black one that I ordered, and this one is from a different vendor. Cut this and put those down. He wrapped this in like, what, 3-4 different wrappers. Oh wow, this is a nice little dust bag. It comes in this dust bag. And let me tell you guys how much I paid for this. I'm so not prepared. You can tell that, like, I just cut on the camera and go because I don't write down crap. It would probably save my camera's battery life if I wrote down everything, but I don't. I just cut the camera on and film. Let me get the price for you. Okay, so this one was a little bit more on the pricey side. So I paid $29 for this Chanel bag, so about 30 bucks. So I'm kind of nervous to open it, especially since I spent $30. It's not like I spent like $10 or $15 or $4 like some of the other iOffer bags. So, okay, like $30. Come on, you better be up to par. So let's see. I did do the black and the gold. Let's see. Oh my gosh, guys. It's so freaking cute. It is a little bent up. You can see from travel, I guess, the shipping, but oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love this. Oh my gosh. It has a little tag here that says Chanel. I don't know. There you go. It'll pick that up. It says Chanel on both sides. It has the chain. And the back pocket is here. I love this. I'll be able to slide my phone in there. This is so freaking cute. Okay, let's open it. I'm wondering if it has like the burgundy red inside. If it has that with the Chanel, then I'm happy. So let's see. It's black and it has it. Oh my gosh, I freaking love this, guys. Look at this. I'm so excited. I don't know why I'm trying to smell it to see if it smells like leather, because clearly I'm congested AF. I can't smell crap. But, yeah. Let's see, are the straps tucked? Okay. Calm down. I have to calm down. This bag is, like, on point. So, when you open it here, it has the extra, not extra, but, like, the long straps tucked away in there. And I actually, like, it's super, the straps are surprisingly super, what's the word, like, heavy? That's what I want to say, heavy. We have got to try this bag on. Okay, because we need to make sure it's long enough. Like, is it long enough for us? Like, plastic is completely off the chain. I feel like this chain is on the shorter side, but we'll see. You can see a close-up of the black and gold. I love that. Super, super cute. Alright, and the inside has the zipper here. So this is a real zipper up here. You can put stuff up there if you want. I probably wouldn't, but to each his own. Back here is a pocket. You can put stuff. This is the part that's connected with the flap. And then you open this side here, it says Chanel. This is actually stitched, guys. Like, this vendor did a really good job, guys. Like, this is not printed on. This is actually stitched on. Like, I don't know if you can hear it. Yeah, it's stitched, guys. And then it says Chanel in print right under there. It has two pockets here. And that's the inside. It comes with these little jelly things. And then, okay, wow, it's another pocket. So that's the inside. And then we also have this pocket here to do what we want. Oh my gosh. This flap here has the button. How do you close this? I guess you have to press it in kind of hard. I can't get it. Oh, there we go. So this button is actually really, really strong. This button is super strong here. You have to press it hard. Okay, you have to press it really hard. You guys. Okay, so whatever. We're not going to do it. But so this one snaps on right there. And then the big jumbo flap, you just pull down. And then you twist it to lock it. Like that. And you can't open it. I'm so happy with this Chanel bag. It honestly came in better than I expected it would. It's not that squishy material. I hate that cheap squishy material. This one is more, it's soft, but like it's structured. Like I can't bend this corner, if you see that. Like it doesn't bend easily. It's more of a structured bag. My battery's dying, so let's hurry up and try this on. Oh my gosh, guys, it hangs all the way down. Like, yeah, the bag hangs all the way down. Really love that. Super cute. You can just open it up. You can just open it up, reach in, and get your little belongings. So yeah, overall, I'm really excited about this bag. That was a really good experience. I was definitely not scammed this purchase at all. If you guys want to know the vendor, just let me know down below in the comments and I'll send it to you. Thank you so much for even supporting me while I'm sick. I see you guys are loving the iOffer videos, so I'm going to keep them coming. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you don't, maybe the next one will be more of your interest. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye, guys.